Hey everyone, and welcome to Mail Day. Yep, that's what I have for you today. It is Mail Day. I hope everybody's doing well out there. It's almost the Christmas holiday season, or after I may be posting this after Christmas. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. But this is Mail Day. Let's jump into it. These are things that I bought on Whatnot. Uh, I've got a little bit of basketball, a little bit of baseball, a little bit of football, mostly football. Basketball wise, here's what I have. I've got the Stefan Castle rookie card. I haven't done much basketball, so this is one of the first cards I have of Castle. The next one is a David Robinson rookie card. Can't ever go wrong with a Hall of Famer. Got both of those for about $1. SGA on the pink tops. I think I paid like $1 or $2 for that one. Nice card. I'm of course, Thunder fan and SGA. Baseball, this is the only baseball card that I got. It was a Nolan Ryan. I think that's a 79. No, 83. That's an 83 Nolan Ryan card. I got that one. It's for like, I think I paid around $4 for it. It's in a kind of a case. The next are football. Here, let me just, I picked up a bunch of Bo Nix. I really think he's doing a great job there with Denver. Bo Nix. Trying to see what, that's a concourse. That one's a concourse. That's a premier level. Another premier level. Matter of fact, I got 3 of these Bo Nix. I got a concourse, a premier level, and this one here for about $4. That's a club level. And then I picked up a Concord, or one the Premier, and this one for like $2. So about $1 a piece is what I got for them. I'm noticing like an ink blotch on the I don't know if that's a print or if somebody actually, yeah, somebody marked up the card, so those are ungradable. I don't know if that ink dot is standard on those. In the comments, let me know. But anyway, the next is Caleb Williams. Got a couple of Caleb's. They were mixed in with some of the Bo Nix and Drake Mays that I got. Of course, those are just base concourse cards, 3 of them. And then the next one is an 83 or an 84 Franco Harris. Picked that up. I think I gave about 8 for Franco. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Yeah, that's an 84 Franco. I was always a big fan of Franco Harris when he was with Pittsburgh. Of course, Jackson Dart. This is my first Jackson Dart rookie for out of Donruss that I got from him, and that was bundled in with one the Bo. It had a Bo Nix, and it had Bo Nix, and I think a Drake May or Caleb. It was a Caleb in with that. And then the next big one, I think I overpaid for this one. It's a Walter Payton. It's like a 80 or it's a 79 Walter Payton. It's graded a 5. I think I paid like 15 for it, 12, 15, somewhere in that neighborhood. I can make a profit off that, about a $30 card. And then the next one, the next one's Brett Favre rookie. And this was with that. And then this was a giveaway on a Whatnot channel that I got. It's just a Tom Brady base from the Zenith. I think that's about 2 years ago, from 2023. Or no, it's actually from 2022. But that was a giveaway that I won. And then the Drake Mays. I think Drake May is going to be probably the MVP this year. Gave about $1 a piece for these. They go for about, just his base go for about 15. 8 to 15. And of course the mosaic. Trying to see if that's any variation. And then the NFL debut, silver NFL debut card on the Drake May. There's what it looks like on the back. I know that one runs about 15 on the base, raw. But I'm heavily invested in Drake May on that. So, really believe he's going to be. Right now they're comparing him to Drew Bledsoe, Patriots, but I'm putting him about the same category as Brady. So anyway, that's what I have for you. I appreciate you tuning in and watching. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Until next time, I'll see ya.